Hello everyone, we're gonna start with question number 20. Here we have been given that for each t that belongs to R, let t be the greatest integer equal to or less than t. So this bracket indicates that it is the greatest integer. So we will further simplify this equation. So here we have been given limit from x belonging to mother x equals to greater than 0. Here we will dissolve each element into 2 for after breaking the brackets. So we have the normal and in the bracket 1. So after further simplification, we will take the non-bracket in terms separately and take 1 by x common and multiply by x, so it will be normal, and minus x that remains for these bracket ones differently for this one. The sum of these numbers equals to 120, so we will take it out, minus x into this term up, and x is greater than equal to greater than 0 plus, which is finite, so we remain with 120 only. So answer A is correct. Thank you.